Hello, my name is Jennifer. I am going to explain the technical term legal protection in the context of German law in Germany. So, legal protection, or Rechtsschutz in German, refers to the legal rights and processes that individuals can use to defend or enforce their rights. And in Germany, this concept is really important on the context of the rule of law, and it ensures that people have pathways to challenge decisions that are made by authorities or other parties that may impact their rights or freedoms. So, some key aspects of legal protection in Germany are the fundamental rights. The German basic law, the Grundgesetz, guarantees fundamental rights to all individuals, such as freedom of speech, property rights, and personal freedom. And the legal protection means that if someone's rights are infringed, they have mechanisms to seek remedy or correction. Then there is the judicial review. So individuals in Germany, they can bring cases before courts, particularly administrative courts, and if they feel that the government decision is not fair and it violates their rights. So this is known as a judicial review, where courts assess whether decisions by public authorities they are lawful and fair. Also, we have the types of legal protection. The two types. So one is the preventive protection. It measures to stop a possible rights violation before it actually happens, and the reparative protection. So the legal avenues for reversing a decision or gaining compensation after a violation has occurred. And the access to courts. So the principle of legal protection ensures that everyone has the right to access courts for a fair hearing and judgment. And this includes the ability to appeal unfavorable decisions and also to seek higher court rulings if it's necessary. So one example of legal protection is if we consider a scenario where a person's construction permit is denied by the local authority, and if they believe the denial is unfair or violates planning regulations, they can appeal to an administrative court. The court reviews the case to ensure the decision aligns with legal standards, and so that protecting the individual's right against possible administrative overreach. So if we get deep into one example, is where we can imagine one lady that is applying for a construction permit to build a small house on her property. And despite following all visible guidelines, the city's planning authority denies her application, claiming it doesn't meet zoning requirements. And she believes the decision is not fair and that her project is compliant. So the steps of legal protection would be the appeal. So she first files an appeal, so the Widerspruch, directly with the planning authority, asking them to reconsider the decision. And she argues that her project aligns with all zoning regulations. Then there is the administrative court. So if her appeal is denied, she can take the case to an administrative court, the Verwaltungsgericht, where she can ask the court to review the authority's decision for legality and fairness. And the final step is the court decision. So the court examines the fact and also determines that the planning authority misinterpreted the law or not. So if the lady wins, the court orders that her permit be issued or instructs the authorities to reconsider its decision according to the court's findings.